study by the American Academy of Pediatrics finds that kids who get their first smartphones at age 12 or younger are at a much higher risk of a number of health problems, from obesity to depression.
To have phones in a young age, I don't think that's appropriate.
For mom and now grandma Sandra Tabbitt, kids and smartphones are not a smart combination.
I think they should be like in their teens.
This new study released by the American Academy of Pediatrics backs that up, finding that having a smartphone at or before age 12 could increase certain health risks.
Compared to kids who do not have a smartphone at age 12 or by age 12, those who did have a smartphone had overall worse health outcomes. They had more chances of having depression, obesity, and insufficient sleep.
Dr. Ann Barzilai was one of the authors of this study, which examined data from more than 10,000 kids nationwide.
More time on smartphone may be related to less time during, for example, physical activity, something that can protect both from obesity and is also good for one's mental health.
I feel like kids should be outside, they should be more active.
Mom Stephanie Tessman says she's especially concerned about the impact of social media on children. Her daughter is now 11.
I don't think she's anywhere near ready for like Instagram or Snapchat or anything like that.
This new study is released as California prepares to adopt a new statewide law requiring all K-12 schools to adopt policies that either strictly limit or outright ban cell phone use while on campus. A new law that officially takes effect in July.
I think it's going to be super tough. I think it's super easy to just sneak them in, but I think it's good if that's what they want to do, especially just to keep kids focused on school and not distracted with everything else going on in the world.
It would be better, less distraction for them. They could pay attention to the teacher and hopefully even get better grades.
This isn't the only new education-focused law hitting the books here in California in 2026. Starting next year, public K-12 schools must have at least one all-gender restroom on campus. Also, a new Office of Civil Rights will be established, including an anti-Semitism coordinator to address discrimination in K-12 schools. And the South Asian Festival of Diwali officially becomes a statewide holiday, impacting school calendars.
And while it doesn't officially take effect until 2035, California this year also passed a new law that bans ultra-processed food from school lunches, the first state in the nation to take this action.
Getting back to the cell phone in schools law, this is a state law, but haven't some districts in California already enacted their own policies?
They have, including right here. San Diego Unified passed their own version of this law earlier this year. A phone-free school day policy applies to all grade levels, TK through 12th grade, and that actually went into effect at the beginning of this current school year, and that's about a year before all schools in the district, all schools in the state actually have to be in compliance.
It'd be interesting to talk to teachers a year from now.
Yeah, to see if there's a difference.
What kind of impact this has had on kids' ability to learn and the behavior in the classroom.
Exactly.
Thanks, Richard.
Thank you.